The Bitcoin has officially registered its highest naturalized loss in the history. Is this the right moment for the bulls to kick in, or is this bearish trend gonna continue? Let's analyze. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Simon from Crypto Paradise, and before we analyze Bitcoin, let's just quickly dive into the news. So as I already showed you, this is something crazy. Retail been panic selling like mad, so we will analyze if this is right moment for the bulls to finally step in. Before that, let's go over the most breaking news. Russians banned from accessing BitMEX within European Union. It's a bummer for Russia. Maybe you should stop the war and maybe people start being nice to you again. Days after suspending transactions, Voyager files for bankruptcy. This is another exchange after Celsius which is having some big trouble. Here we can see that the last 6 months have been the worst for the markets in 52 years. This is something crazy, and if you are still in the crypto surviving, you are the real pro. Next, we had some Fed meeting today. They said Fed officials saw 50 BPS or 75 BPS hike actually, FOMC. Here we have been analyzing what is going on in today's Fed meeting, so you can go to our My Crypto Paradise news channel and you can go through it or yourself. Here we have been updating you about the Fed meeting which happened today, so if you are not yet in My Crypto Paradise news channel, links in the description and you will be updated every time there is something important. So right now let's dive back into the Bitcoin. We are still in a higher time frame bearish trend for Bitcoin, so we just quickly draw the lines like this. It doesn't need to be perfect, so we can see that we are still range trading in a downtrend bearish channel, and since we got rejected here from the resistance and from the 200 moving average, we have not been able to break through this channel, right? So right now what we need to do for the bullish case to go above previous all-time high, we need to break above $28,000 and we need some confirmation. So how we can approach the market right now, it depends on what kind of trader are you. If you are a swing trader or a day trader or an intraday trader, I will analyze for you a day trading strategy right now and swing trading approach for this situation where the Bitcoin is right now. So if you have not been long since here, because here was a great support, you can just keep respecting these two levels which are important. Resistance is right now at 21,888 and the daily support, the closest one, is at 17,600. all right, so right now if you are a day trader, you definitely don't wanna enter because we are in this kind of ranging trend, right? We are basically not breaking upwards or downwards, we are ranging in the channel, so it has been quite boring, but you can make money. So basically the easiest thing is to long here and short here. You don't want to be panic selling at here, what most people, trust me, is doing, but you want to do the exact opposite. You want to buy here, sell here. So right now when we are approaching the resistance, many people, trust me, most of the people will be calling for a breakout and they will be longing before the actual breakout happens. However, from the probability reason, this is not the correct thing to do. What you need to do if you want to treat the markets professionally, you need to wait for the breakout, okay, and then you will not be panic selling, panic buying because you are scared that you will miss the action, right? What you will do, and in 99% cases, trust me, will always be a retest of the previous resistance when the trend will switch and it will change into a support, right? So you will wait for a breakout and then you will position yourself here and you will ride it back to the MTF resistance zone, medium term resistance, which is at $28,000. So this is the first thing you can do, or you can play the short position, right? And in this case you would be position yourself at a short here, and it really depends on the price action at the resistance level if it's really worth it to place a short there. So what you're gonna do, you will place once you have the confirmation in a lower time frames, and I'm talking about 1 hour, 2 hours maximum, and if you see that the probabilities are on your side, I would do, if I would be on your place, that I would take this 200 MA on 4 hour and place my stop loss above it. I would enter around here, around the resistance, and I would place my selling target at nearest support zone, right? So we are playing for 66% loss versus 19% profit. This is the kind of trades you want to do, high risk reward trades, because in the long term you really don't just want to win all the time, or win most of the times. You want to win big and lose small, okay? And this is exactly what we are doing in Paradise Family VIP. If you take a look at our trades, we always have small stop loss and large sell targets, all right? First sell target is always 1-to-1 to stop loss, so we have at first sell target at 4,394 LRC, and you can see right here there was some accumulation, right? And like from the beginning there was a breakout from this consolidation zone. We have been waiting for the confirmation, then position ourselves in the next consolidation, which is basically a bullish flag, right? And then there was the breakout, and we exactly sold at 4,390. And look at this risk reward, it's even bigger than 1-to-1, all right? So this is exactly what you want to do in your trading strategy. If you are not yet in Paradise Family VIP, for which we have right now discounts for the time Bitcoin is still cheap, and it's actually minus 69% from the all-time high, so that's a great discount, and same discounts we have on our Paradise Family VIP channels. So if you want to join right now, go to our website, click buy a membership, and you will be settled up. If you don't want to join Paradise Family VIP yet, it's all good, because we have just for you our free Telegram channels where we keep you posted. Like today, we have shared with you a free secret insight, and if you want to know if Bitcoin did actually bottomed already, join our free channels right now. So this is about Bitcoin for daily traders. However, if you are a swing trader and you want to take a little bit more of investing kind of approach, definitely, if you don't want to miss but you still want to be safe with your money, the ride to the $69,000 and above, the easiest thing you can do right now is to wait above the breakout at $28,000, position yourself and ride it back up, yeah? Or if you want to start buying Bitcoin and you have not done it at the previous low and you still think that the bear's gonna attack anytime, what you can do, it's not like these are the amazing prices to buy, right? But if you are already in and you want to start buying lower, the next levels to look after are $14,000 and $10,000. 10,000 was the previous accumulation, and it was the level from which we have started this uptrend in 2020. So it's up to you how you're gonna play it. However, if you want to start trading like a pro, I would definitely recommend you to start following our free channels or join our VIP, because we are doing exactly what is necessary to be long-term profitable, and this is all it matters. So guys, I will see you next time. Stay safe. Right now Bitcoin, with all the information I have shared with you today, still looking like we will do the bullish case first before the bearish case, all right? So we are not bearish on Bitcoin. We think we are going to break about 21,888, and if we get this confirmation, we are definitely going to 28,000. So the people who are panic selling here are going to be very sad, in my own opinion, in the future, because right now I don't see Bitcoin going below the previous low. So stay safe, ladies and gentlemen, and see you in the next video. and see you in the VIP right after you are watching the video. We are about to make a great move on Bitcoin and you definitely don't want to miss it. We are watching with the Paradise team Bitcoin 24/7 and we are ready to trade this aggressively. So take care and see you next time.